Hello everyone, this is Misha Francis and I wanted to tell you what are you supposed to do? Upgrade, freeze or withdraw your fee. So we all fill our preference list, right, according to the campuses that we want, but we may or may not end up getting the dream campus that we've always thought of in our first round of counseling. So what are you supposed to do in this situation? So my rank was 185, which meant that I was eligible for Bangalore and I was also eligible for NIFT Hyderabad and Calcutta, of course. So I ended up not freezing but going for the upgrade option, and all I had to do after that was wait. So it's a waiting game of whether or not you're going to get your dream campus. In my personal case, what happened was that we went through 7 rounds of counseling, and even after that, even after we had all joined our respective campuses, there were some seats which were still like empty. So people were getting in colleges even after the college had sort of begun. So there were 3 people in my campus who came in late, who came in after all 7 rounds of counseling. So you do have that option as well if you are in it for the waiting game. But the thing is that this is a very risky game. You can't be fully reliant on the fact that you may or may not get that last ka seat, right? So this is something that you have to decide for yourself. Only freeze your seat when you are absolutely certain that this is the campus that you want to get into. The only time that you freeze your seat without it impacting you negatively is if at all you have selected freeze and upgrade in your first round of counseling. So in your first round of counseling, you say that you want to upgrade, and only then, and then you give your fees as well, and only then are you eligible for further rounds of counseling. If you don't pay that 1,86,000 rupees, then you are not eligible for further placements at NIFT. So be very careful to pay the fees right up front if at all you want to be considered for further rounds of counseling. So now how counseling works is that you will get one offer letter, and let's say in my case I got it from NIFT Shillong, upgraded and I waited. The second time I got NIFT Calcutta and I was still waiting that I'm going to get into Bangalore. But that actually didn't happen in each subsequent round of counseling. I just kept getting Calcutta. So eventually I had to either choose to let that seat go, like to not be in NIFT Calcutta, or to freeze my seat and get there eventually. You shouldn't be too worried about the campus and everything like that, because eventually what happens is that everybody is going to study the same thing, right? And currently in my internship where I'm working, all of us NIFTians, like all 18 campuses, get placed in this company, and all of us are here together. We've all studied the same thing. We've all gotten the same opportunity in the same company. And it's literally about where would you like to spend the next 2 years of your life, or 4 years if you're an undergrad. So final conclusion is that only freeze when you are 100% certain that this is what you want. But what NIFT does is that sometimes they also give you the option to unfreeze your seat and then sit for further upgradations. That's what happened in my time, right? My time was literally like a year ago. Withdrawal of fee signifies that you are not interested in going to NIFT this year and you will not be considered for future rounds of counseling. So be very certain about what withdrawal also means. To freeze your seat, be happy with your campus, and congratulations. I also wanted to say congratulations if you've gotten your dream college in your first round of counseling. That is amazing, and I hope you have a lovely time at NIFT. If you have any questions or if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.